Today is a day of giving in the capital city because it's Give to Lincoln Day, and one of the nearly 500 nonprofits featured, the Bryan Foundation, is trying to raise $15 million to expand its neonatal intensive care unit to add more beds for babies. 1011's Brandon Muting spent some time at Bryan today and joins us in the studio with why this expansion is so needed. Brandon.
Madison, the executive director of the Bryan Foundation, tells me that around 100 babies had to be moved this past year because the 23 beds weren't enough. Once $15 million is raised, they are planning on adding 18 to 20 more beds. Not just something that the staff want to see, but parents of the babies who were treated there too. Silo has been in the NICU since February.
He had 2 chest tubes to take out air because he had a bunch of air accumulating in his chest.
It's a place for Samonni, who lost a child there. Now she's back with Silo, a process that hasn't been easy.
It was extra scary and extra hard, but he's come a very, very long way. So,
for babies like Silo, the Bryan Foundation is trying to add more beds because at times there weren't enough. And for Give to Lincoln Day, thousands of dollars have been raised so far.
Shows that people care, and it's just these babies are very, very strong and very little and just.
Knox is another NICU graduate. Sydney and Hayden Florum spent 20 days in the NICU after he was born.
He was a pretty big baby when he was born, and he just had trouble maintaining his oxygen levels.
When times got scary, hospital staff were there for the couple.
There was a nurse who just sat with me as I was crying in a chair and didn't know what was going on. She just sat with me.
Now the parents are hoping that the community can pay it back.
I truly don't think that I would have made it through any of this process without them. They were super great.
My last son passed. A lot of them came to his funeral and were just there for me. And
once the nonprofit reaches that $15 million goal, the foundation executive director tells me they'll start construction pretty soon after. If you're wanting to donate to the Bryan Foundation, we'll have a link attached with this story on our 1011 Now website.